Hello everybody. Yes, we finally got some buy signals again. So here we are looking at Bitcoin. So for the ATR TSS, we got a buy signal. Also the turtle strategy is giving a buy signal. So this was at the close of the candle yesterday evening or this morning, as you wish. Also for Ethereum, we have a go. So this is for the ATR TSS. If you're trading Ethereum USD, then we got already a buy signal here on the 30th of November. But for the USDT pair, there we also got it at the close of yesterday's candle. Yeah, those are the two for the moment. Here we're looking at Solana. Not much going on. So we need to see a close above 14.9. And then Monero did quite bad yesterday. We even dropped yesterday. Even today we are dropping. Yeah, so no long signal as long as we stay up below 0.09. And then Dogecoin, there we got the buy signal on the 27th of November, but yeah, since then we are a bit underwater. No short signal yet, as long as we are above 0.082. And then let's have a look. Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart. So on the 5th of December, we already got a buy signal. And it's now since yesterday that we are finally in profit with this one. So we did form some kind of a wedge. Did break up to the upside. So now we're going to have to see in a few hours what will happen with the results of the FOMC meeting. It's very well possible that we just go a bit higher and then come down. And yeah, talking about that, let's go to the 1 hour, the monthly chart for Bitcoin. Okay, it looks a bit messy, but if you draw a Fibonacci speed fan from the pandemic low to the all-time high, then we see we did bounce off of the 0.886. On the weekly, not much to see here, but I mainly wanted to show the daily, because if we zoom in, we formed a daily support here on the 21st and 22nd of September. We had the first test on the 28th of September. Then on the 13th of October, we did go much lower, but it got all bought up and we ended positively. And then on, let's see, the dump from 8 and 9 November, we completely smashed through that level. And I think we are going to retest that one now as resistance. So support will become resistance. So I think you can see the low we had from the 13th of October is exactly the high we had yesterday, and we got rejected from it. Only a little, and today we're up almost 1%. So this is not a strong rejection. So I think from here we will go further up to test this one and then maybe come down. That would be the bearish case. And the bullish case would be that we go above it, retest it again as support. But given the current circumstances, I'm not too sure. Maybe what can happen today is that with the news of the FOMC, that we might get a pump. And then we get this rejection and then again slowly coming down. Because it looks like every pump gets sold, so I think it won't be any different this time. We still have very bad macroeconomics coming ahead of us. So the market is pricing it in, so every run they get sold off. So yeah, be careful. So I think, yeah, the buy signal we get from the algos, I'm a bit afraid it will be a losing trade, but okay, that's how it goes. The algos, they don't capture top and bottoms, but it's mainly the distance between the two which is important and where you make the money. So on the 4-hour chart, you can see those purple boxes. Oops. Those are Darvas boxes. So you draw them from a low to a high, and then you will see that price is ranging inside such a box. And Darvas back in the days, he did make a lot of money by buying the breakout, wait until we range again. If we get a new breakout, then he would buy again. And apparently he made a lot of money trading that way. But that was in a gigantic bull stock market. So was he lucky? Was he not? Is it a good strategy? It's to be seen. But for me, I quite like it because it gives you a nice visual representation of what is really going on. So you can clearly see that we are ranging. You get a breakout. We are ranging again, and you often retest the highs of the previous range. As you can see over here, we did retest the high which was formed here, and yeah, that high. But actually it also got tested here and also here. So if we are in a bullish case for the moment, then we might get the retests of these highs, which is around 17.4k. But yeah, let's see what happens here. If we indeed reject on this daily, and then let's say we reject there, and then we come down like this. And we are ranging here. Then we can make again a bullish case as well and say, okay, we start to find support in this box, and then we go out of the box and then up to the new to a new range which will start to form later on. So yeah, but it's too early for the moment to see if this really will work out. But this daily at 18.4k, this is the one I'm watching. Then other markets, let's have a look. Gold did very well. Over here we got those 3 buy signals. Then we got a 4th one here on the 1st of December. Then the exit signal on the 5th. So the last one was a losing trade, but the 3 others were very profitable. So that was nice. And yesterday, at the close of the candle, again, a new buy signal. So we are changing market structure. So it looks like we're heading off for a bull run. So yeah, gold looking good, silver looking even better, because here we got a buy signal on the 21st of October, which was almost at the bottom. Got an extra buy signal on the 14th of November, and then another one on the 2nd of December, and they're all profitable for the moment. So let's have a look. The first one is up 23%. The second one 8.6. And the last one, 3%. So this one is doing very well. Then the other markets, S&P 500 on the weekly chart, still the same again. This volume weighted average price from the pandemic low. It's still forming resistance. 2 weeks ago we could close above. Last week close below again. And for now, we're just again around that level. But higher up, we have the volume-weighted average price from the all-time high. So this is a very, very difficult zone to get through. Also here in yellow, weekly resistance, as you can see. We had this green candle, got rejected, and then went all the way down. So now we're coming back up to retest it. And so far, no luck. So next level I would watch is the high we had here around the 17th of February 2020. So this would be the 3,400 to 3,300 region. It also confluences with the point of control from the low to the all-time high. So that's where most of the people did buy. So maybe they will buy again at that level. That's to be seen. Or if price goes lower, maybe they all want to dump. And then the next one would be around here. So that's it, around the 2,700 region. That also seems to be a good level for support. Euro dollar. Nice uptrend, buy signal on the 10th of November, and so far, let's see, up for the 25%. Crude oil, I already checked it, but there's no buy signal because we are in a downtrend, and the turtle strategy doesn't buy in downtrends. So next level of support, I would assume it would be this, the 70 to 72 region. So it has in December of last year, it formed support over here, was resistance in March. So we're gonna have to see whether this one holds. And then we have copper also doing well. Buy signal here on the 4th of November and the second buy on the 11th of November. This one is in a loss for the moment. The other one is in a profit. So let's check. 4% profit, and the other one is down 2%. So you would still make 2% on this trade for the moment. I think we covered everything so far. Yeah. Then let's have a look. That's the wrong screen. Let's have a look at the trading account. So Bitcoin closed PNL. So we closed the last candle with a 0.002 Bitcoin of profit. Ethereum, slight loss, 0.008, almost 9. And Solana, here we are still in a short position. And that's another thing. This is a 2x short, and look how much this already costed me. So realized PNL minus 300 on a $550 profit. So more than a half is already gone just to keep this contract open. And that's a shame. And so I will change my my bots not to trade with with 2x anymore to the downside. I always trade to the upside 1x, but then I thought, okay, if price comes down, let's get some extra money, since in a bear market prices tend to go down much faster than in a bull market. But at this price, I'm not going to do that anymore. So after this video, I will reduce this position to cover those $300. This is ridiculous. So, and then another point on Bitcoin. As you can see now, it has a value of $1,100, which would mean I'm only 10% in profit, but that's from a USD point of view, because here I have an old video from August 2021, and that's not the correct screen that I was looking for. Oh, here we go. So Bitcoin here was already nicely up, so at $1,600. So it means for the moment I lost compared to what the situation was then. But then here on the right hand side, you can see equity was 0.03. So from a Bitcoin point of view, I doubled my Bitcoin, but in dollar terms, I'm just nowhere, just back at the beginning. So, but that's what you have with those inverse perpetual contracts. All the profit you get it paid out in Bitcoin in this case. Also for Ethereum, you get paid out in Ethereum. So, but this I knew in advance. The purpose here is to collect Bitcoin and to collect Ethereum. So that's, for example, why I don't trade Solana in a perpetual contract. I trade this in the USDT pair, so that I can collect more dollars and not more Solana. So yeah, just to point out the difference between the USDT pair and then the USD pair. All right, good. That's the overview what I wanted to give. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.